Forget the myth that getting rich means a long, exhausting journey. Today, I'm going to show you a world where money can come in quickly through smart and direct moves. In this simple guide, you'll learn how some people earn money fast by using clear, practical methods. If you're ready for a fresh start toward wealth and success, keep reading. A well-known book in personal finance is Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. This book has sold over 32 million copies in more than 100 countries and has changed the way many people think about money. It offers 8 easy-to-follow rules for earning more money that you can use right away. Kiyosaki teaches that the first change must come from how you think. He says that rich people ask themselves, how can I afford this? While others say, I can't afford that. Changing your mindset opens you up to new ways of making money. Forget what you once believed about money and learn how it really works. Many successful business owners started with nothing but change their way of thinking by asking the right questions. A second lesson is to become smart with money. Many schools do not teach us about managing money. Instead, they sometimes claim that money is the source of all problems. The truth is that understanding money is very important. Learning about finances helps you handle your money better and even find new ways to earn. Kiyosaki argues that the gap between the rich and the poor grows because many people never learn how to use money wisely, while the rich do. So, start learning about money today and move toward a real sense of freedom. Another key idea is to focus on getting things that make you money. Kiyosaki often points out the difference between assets and liabilities. Assets are things that put money into your pocket, while liabilities take money away. For instance, many think that owning a home is an asset. In truth, a home can cost you money due to upkeep, repairs, and loans. It is very important to understand what an asset really is and then set clear goals to get more of them. Once you see this difference, you will understand how wealth grows steadily over time. Building more than one way to earn money is also very important. Depending on one job can be risky, especially if you suddenly lose that income. Imagine losing your job and having no backup plan. It could quickly drain your savings or put you in debt. Today, those who succeed make money from many sources. You might consider freelancing, writing a blog, sharing your knowledge online, investing in stocks that pay dividends, renting out property, or even starting a small business. The main idea is to mix up how you make money so that if one source slows down, the others will still help you. Let's think about the life of Andrew Carnegie as an example. He was born into a working-class family and started with simple, low-paying jobs when he was young. Through hard work and learning from every chance he got, he built a huge steel business. Carnegie's life shows us that becoming wealthy takes time. He set small, clear goals for himself and built his success gradually. His story teaches us that slow, steady progress is the key to financial success. One very important lesson is to act quickly when you see a good chance to improve your finances. Carnegie believed that in any competition, the one who does just a bit more than everyone else wins. Life is a constant race, whether you are competing with others or trying to be better than your past self. To improve, you must work a little harder each day. Many successful people work long hours, but they also know when to rest and recharge. They plan their days carefully and set clear goals so that every minute counts. Changing how you think about money is crucial. Many of us grow up with the idea that wealth is hard to get or even bad. This kind of thinking can hold you back. Instead, see money as a tool to improve your life. Believe that you can change your financial situation by making smart choices. When you do, you open yourself up to more opportunities and start drawing in more wealth. It is also very important to spend money wisely. This might seem basic, but many people do not really think about how they spend. A good tip is to ask yourself how many hours of work a particular purchase costs you. For example, if you earn $4,000 a month and want to spend $40,000 on something, ask if that is worth the work hours required. Thinking this way helps you avoid wasteful spending and keeps your finances under control. Another secret to growing your money is to let it work for you. Instead of letting your money just sit in a bank account, make it grow through compound interest. This means you earn interest on your savings and then you earn interest on that interest too. Even small amounts saved regularly can grow into a big sum over time. The trick is to start early and keep saving so that your money slowly builds up, much like a snowball that gets larger as it rolls down a hill. Along with smart spending, learning the basics of investing is very important. Investing might seem confusing, but it doesn't have to be. Begin with simple shows or articles that explain how investing works and what the stock market is all about. As you learn more, you will feel more comfortable deciding where to put your money. Over time, you can make choices that help your savings grow. Try starting small with low-risk investments to build your confidence and gradually explore other options as you become more knowledgeable. Remember, every investor starts with the basics, so take your time and keep learning. Another useful tip tip is to change up your work environment sometimes. For example, some smart investors review market trends while sitting in a fast food restaurant rather than a fancy office. Changing your surroundings can give you a fresh view on problems and help you come up with creative solutions. If you do the same thing every day, you might miss out on new ideas. Look for different ways to approach your work and be open to learning from unexpected places. Even a small change, like rearranging your desk or working from a park, can boost your creativity and productivity. It is wise to plan for what lies ahead. Every day, take a moment to jot down your goals. Use a simple notebook to list what you want to achieve in the next year, writing them as if they have already happened. This small habit sends a strong message to your brain and helps you concentrate on what really matters. Over time, you may change some of your goals, and that's fine. This regular practice keeps you motivated and helps you stay on track. Another good habit is to learn from those who have already been successful. Find mentors who have reached the level of success you want and ask them about their journeys. Their advice and experiences can save you from making the same mistakes and guide you along the way. Remember, success is not only about working hard on your own, it is also about learning from the people around you. Seek guidance from those who have overcome challenges similar to yours and absorb the lessons from their triumphs and setbacks. By listening to their stories and strategies, you can find shortcuts to success that may not be obvious on your own. This shared wisdom can help you avoid common pitfalls and inspire you to reach higher. Your reputation is very valuable, and it takes a long time to build, but can be ruined in an instant. Always act honestly and keep your promises. Before you speak or act, take a moment to consider if your words and actions match your true values. Sometimes it's better to stay quiet until you are sure of what to say, so you do not harm your reputation. Remember that true success and wealth take time. They are built by making small, steady improvements every day. Be patient, keep working hard, and gradually build on your progress. Every little step counts and brings you closer to your dreams. Finally, use your time wisely. Time is something you can never get back. So spend it on learning, working on your goals, and building the future you want. Create a daily routine that balances work, rest, and personal growth. By managing your time well, you open up more opportunities and make every day count. Here are some extra tips to keep you moving forward. Start by keeping track of your progress, writing down even the smallest wins each day. Regularly review your spending and learn from any mistakes along the way. It's important to celebrate your successes no matter how small they may seem, and stay positive by remembering that every challenge is a lesson. Make sure to take breaks to avoid burnout, and talk with friends or mentors about your goals to keep yourself inspired. Don't be afraid to try new ideas if something doesn't work out. Instead, focus on learning and growing rather than rushing through life. Be patient with yourself and trust that steady effort will pay off. Keep an open mind and be ready to adjust your plans as you gain new insights. Every day is a chance to improve, so use it well. Stay humble, work hard, and always remember that you are capable of great success. If you found these ideas useful, please like and subscribe.